Hi.
Hello, I'm Enrico Moccia and I'm head of HMI and UX UI in Pininfarina. So today here we see Cellula, that is our modular sitting back. And here inside we have Marco with a VR goggle that is experiencing the Enigma GT interior. So basically in this experience we're going to leave different HMI modalities. We're going to have the first modality. As soon as the canopy is coming down, we're going to go on the tour mode.
And I will film the screen so I can see what you're seeing.
Exactly.
All right.
So basically, on the tour mode, we have an augmented reality outside the windshield with artificial intelligence that is scanning the context around us and is giving us suggestions on the routes to follow. So we see here like Sentinel Peak, Chimera Mountain, and other. Then it's selecting one journey for us. And in the
go full
interior,
speed? Does it drive? Or just
it's not
to see
moving.
the
It's not moving on the context, but eventually also the HMI now is going into sport mode as soon as the Navi is set. So we are going to see it in a couple of seconds. Exactly. So now also the exterior environment becomes much more sporty. Also, the HMI and the UI gets a more sporty look.
Is it the perfect way to experiment with design ideas before you actually make?
Absolutely. This is a design tool, basically, that we use along the entire design process in order to experiment many different variants of solutions.
With the
on
customer?
Interior, with the customer as well, of course.
And they can give their opinion about, I like this, I don't like that.
Exactly. So it's basically a design process for the designers, but at the same time also a presentation tool for the stakeholders, kind of reviews and decisions that needs to be, done during the design process itself.
Since when do you do this?
Yeah, actually, it's now a couple of years that we have introduced this tool in our design process.
Is Cellula?
Exactly. Cellula is the name.
And what do we see here? There was somebody with the...
Instead, on the other side of the booth, we're gonna have instead the mixed reality for the exterior of the Enigma GT.
All right, you can even have passengers in the back seat wearing it, in the front seat, in the passenger seat.
Exactly.
How close is it to the final product? When you are in the VR, are you gonna, when the final car arrives, you're like, oh my God, I've actually experienced it before.
This is the aim of this, like making all the decision maker leaving the vehicle before they will actually having a real version of it.
Nice. So it's active right now. I see myself walking around the car, and then you are seeing an amazing looking car. Oh, nice. And then you click on a button and the factory makes it, right?
Yeah.
But there's a few more steps in between.
A couple of.
Do you use AI to generate designs or no?
We use it during the inspirational process. So at the really beginning of the design process, we get inspired by many different tools that can support the designers during that specific step of the process.
Nice. There, right here. You see the aerodynamics?
Exactly. This has been really studied together with our wind tunnel. So all the flows are real flows that are working when we use it on top of this vehicle.
Nice. Is it possible that in your app you can show what's the price? Like based on the bill of materials?
That would be nice. Maybe next time we
like
will add
if you switch
this.
from this material to that material, you save so much.
Yeah.
All right.
This is a specific tool in order to see the VR actually.
What is this VR headset? Is it one of those from Facebook guys or?
No, it's Varjo.
Is it high resolution?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
highest.
The
Higher
highest
resolution on the market. Yeah.
So it's 4K.
Yes.
4K by 4K for each eye.
For each eye.
It's better than Apple, right?
It's very different. This is Apple Vision Pro is a headset based for consumer use, while Varjo is based for industrial and professional use, also military use as well. We use it throughout the whole design process and engineering, because it has such a high quality that allows us to see perceived quality studies, aerodynamic studies, and even A-class models.
What's the quality of the pass-through cameras in this?
Sorry?
You have high quality cameras? So
Yes, we have high quality cameras outside that create the mixed reality effect. These are the Varjo XR-3s. And we can both use them in mixed reality or in VR. We can change between both environments whenever we want. For this type of headsets and to run these models and high quality models, we have to use very powerful workstations. So they can run all of this high resolution models. When we use A-class models that are fully production models, they are very heavy, and we need this horsepower to make everything move.
It must be really fun to work with cutting edge VR hardware.
Yeah, it's
not millions of people have access to this kind of
hardware
of design.
Yes.
Are you at the forefront of this in the world? Your company is the leader for this idea of taking VR to design interior design for cars and stuff like that?
I think it's something that is, let's say, quite common in well-structured design studios, where you need to, conceptualize as fast as possible and have decision to be taken as soon as possible by the decision maker or the stakeholders that are involved in the project. So I believe it's cutting edge technology, and with Pininfarina we are definitely, at the top of this list.
And how many colleagues do you have in the company who specialize in creating designs for this platform? Like, do you need more and more people to normal industrial designers? Everybody's getting involved with this platform.
So more or less everyone gets involved in the process using the VR at a different stage of the process. So basically we are at the moment like almost 100 designers along the different studios.
All right. There. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you.